Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Jai Mata Di. Okay, so this is the start of my ride to Munnar, and it's 1:37 a.m. in the morning. I'm starting early just because I want to get there as soon as possible, so most probably I will be there by 12. So for now the entire outfit and the shoes looks quite comfortable for me. Let's hope for one of the best memories in Munnar. So we will be traveling to Munnar from Bangalore, and it will take us around 10 hours, and it's more than 400 kilometers. It's around 450 kilometers. We are actually traveling to Arunachal, where we have booked our homestay by Airbnb. After covering around 31 kilometers, we are reaching to Attibele. Okay, so this is the Attibele toll point, and we will be moving ahead with this. So currently we have just covered around 31 kilometers, 397 kilometers more to go for Munnar, and you can add up 14 more kilometers to Arunachal. So this is how our trip is going to unfold. So much pollution there. So I think I can turn off the light. See, so much greenery but so much pollution as well. Kaveri river. So we are riding beside Kaveri river. This is Kaveri. So on the right side, if you see, this is the Kaveri river which we are told, and it is in full flow. So if you see, so the flow of this river is enormous, right? So the amount of water it has now, right? It has great amount of water, and just in few seconds, right? In few minutes, we will be crossing the Meteor Bridge, right? Meteor Bridge in on the So in few minutes we are going to cross Meteor Bridge, right? And this Meteor Bridge is on the Kaveri River. So that is going to be a heavenly glimpse. So after this we have a right turn, and then so this great bridge, Meteor Bridge, we are crossing this Meteor Bridge at 6 a.m. exactly, what I promised myself, and I want to stay for some time, I guess. So I'll just park my bike somewhere. Maybe I'll park on the other side and then I'll look into it. I'll just wait for some time. I'll just okay. अभी काफ़ी लंबा ट्रिप है दोस्तों, फिर बहुत टाइम लगेगा, 6-7 घंटे तो और लगेंगे अभी। और सामने आप देख सकते हो बहुत ही सुंदर माउंटेन, और ये जो है आगे वो मेट्योर ब्रिज है। ये बहुत ही बड़ा ब्रिज है दोस्तों, और इस पे आप देख सकते हो कावेरी रिवर ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड। दिस इज सच अ बिग रिवर, एंड so on the left side you can see this is such a large river, and I'm driving on the right side also. So great to see this, lucky to see this, bro. So this is Tirupur, and it is around 275 kilometers away from Bangalore, and the time currently is 9:07, and we have left Bangalore at 2 a.m. so it's been around 7 or more than 7 hours, and we have covered around 280 kilometers. So this is something which good if you see, like 7 hours, and we took a lot of breaks as well. बहुत ज़्यादा विंड ब्लास्ट है दोस्तों, और मैं शायद इतने मतलब ज़्यादा स्पीड नहीं चला रहा हूँ, मैं 80-85 के अराउंड है, बट फिर भी जो है विंड ब्लास्ट इतना ज़्यादा है, सामने से आवाज़ बहुत कम आ रही होगी आई गेस। इवन इफ मैंने विंड वाइजर बंद कर रखा है, स्टिल बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज़ है, बहुत ज़्यादा हवा है फ्रॉम द राइट साइड ऑफ द बाइक। Still I'm trying to record, and I'm trying to show you the mountains. So the mountain range is in front of us. I'm not sure whether you are able to see it or not, but मज़ा आ रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है इस राइड पे। ऑलरेडी 330 किलोमीटर्स के अराउंड ख़त्म कर चुके हैं हम। 107 और 108 किलोमीटर्स इज़ लेफ्ट। सो काफ़ी ज़्यादा ग्रीनरी है इधर, आप देख सकते हो काफ़ी ज़्यादा, और सामने में माउंटेन्स दिख रही हैं अभी माउंटेन्स दिख रही हैं, ग्रीनरी दिख रही है। स्पीड आप ज़्यादा कर नहीं सकते, स्पीड करने से विंड बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ आ रही है बाइक पे वो फोर्स फील हो रहा है। इवेंचुअली जो स्पीड है आप कम कर पा रहे हो बहुत ज़्यादा। तो सामने में आपको माउंटेन रेंजेस दिख रहे हैं, नहीं दिख रहे हैं मुझे ये नहीं पता, बट आई एम ड्राइविंग स्लोली, आई एम नॉट टेकिंग इट टू मच। मैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा रेव नहीं करने वाला, मैं शांति से चलूँगा। और अब आपको क्लियरली दिख रहे होंगे माउंटेन्स, है ना। अब आपको क्लियरली माउंटेन्स दिख रहे होंगे आई गेस। दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वांटेड टू शो यू। आई एम नॉट श्योर दैट वी नीड टू क्लाइंब दीज माउंटेन्स और नॉट, but I'm very excited, seriously I'm very excited because ये पहली बार मैं किसी टाइगर रिजर्व में जा रहा हूँ। और दूसरी बात कि 70 किलोमीटर्स के अराउंड जो है ये पूरा का पूरा माउंटेन रेंज, 70 किलोमीटर्स। जब से मैं अन्नामलाई टाइगर रिजर्व के अंदर जाऊँगा उस जगह से अराउंड 70 किलोमीटर्स और मोर देन दैट, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट, but 70 kilometers is more than enough to enjoy, right? So it would be around 2.5 hours of travel if you say, because 2.5 hours में आप पूरा का पूरा माउंटेन रेंज कवर कर पाओगे आई गेस। तो चलिए दोस्तों, मैं आपको, और यहाँ पे लोग हैं जो ज़बरदस्ती हाथ देकर बीच से आपको रुकवा देंगे। तो चलिए दोस्तों, थोड़ी देर के लिए मैं कैमरा को बंद करता हूँ और उसके बाद वापस आएंगे, बिकॉज ऐसा कुछ व्यूज़ नज़र नहीं आ रहा मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा। तो दिस इज़ समथिंग विच आई रियली वांटेड टू डू। एक्चुअली ये जो प्लान है मुन्नार का, वो एक्चुअली ये जो प्लान है मुन्नार का, वो मुन्नार का प्लान जो है वो कैंसिल हो चुका था। हमने स्टे भी कैंसिल कर दिया था ऑलरेडी, बिकॉज केरला फ्लड, राइट, वायनाड एंड ऑल। So initially our plan was to travel to Wayanad, but then everybody knows unfortunately what happened. So many people have lost their precious lives, whether they are tourists or whether they are living over there. So this is really unfortunate, and Om Shanti for all of them. Ram ji शांति ने। और if you can see, right, on the right side there is well planned places. Okay, so now the mountain ranges has started to look beautiful, so beautiful, such I've just missed one hump। अभी जो है छोटा सा जो है बहुत ज़्यादा ख़तरनाक हो जाता है कभी कभी, और एकदम से आ जाएगा और आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा। सो दिस इज़ समथिंग विच यू नीड टू कीप एन आई एट। सो रोड्स और माउंटेन्स देखने की जगह पे आपको माउंटेन्स सिर्फ नहीं देखें, रोड भी देखें थोड़ा। सो ट्राई करें कि सेफ राइड करें। मैं ऑलरेडी बोल रहा हूँ ये चीज़ कि, और सामने आप देख सकते हो बहुत खतरनाक, बहुत ही मज़ेदार राइड, मज़ा आ रहा है, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है। सामने अगर आप देखोगे तो क्या गजब का माउंटेन रेंज दिख रहा है उधर। एंड दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी माई लॉन्गेस्ट राइड गाइज। सो ये मेरा अब तक का सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट राइड है। आई ऑलरेडी टच टू 340 किलोमीटर्स एंड 100 किलोमीटर्स मोर टू गो। सो काफ़ी बेहतरीन होने वाला ये, लगे रहिए, बने रहिए हमारे साथ। शुड बी रिकॉर्डिंग इट, सो इट लुक्स गुड, ऑल दीज ट्रीज। I think we are going to into Kerala because lots of wind blast is great, right? So much wind blast, so much wind blast. I'm just trying to say something, but I'm not sure whether it is being recorded or not. Mesmerizing scenes. So already 300 kilometers is done, and okay, This is something cool, right? This is something cool. You will not get this in Bengaluru or somewhere others, some other place. Coconut trees on both sides of the road, and I think this is an orchard. So entire orchard of coconut, huge coconut orchards. That's great. That's great. मज़ा आ रहा है भाइयों, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है इस रोड पे बाइक चलाने में. एंड माई बाइक इज डूइंग अराउंड 120. इफ यू सी ऑन द कंसोल, माई बाइक इज डूइंग 120 easily on this road. So this is great. This is great. I just want this kind of road which doesn't have lot of people, many people, and just hell its way. But the only thing is I'm not able to understand. Oh, see this view, right? See this view. So these are the views you just come for. These are the views for which you have got GoPro, because every time you can't record from your camera, you can't record from your mobile phone, right? So you have to have something like GoPro which will help you record everything, whatever is being. And the good thing about this setup is I am able to know that everything is being recorded, right? So this is something which is cool. I love it. Okay, I think this is still Tamil Nadu. We haven't entered Kerala yet, and once we'll enter in that forest, Annamalai Tiger Reserve. That Annamalai Tiger Reserve is it is basically a part of Tamil Nadu, but on the other side I think in Kerala it is known by some other name. I'm not sure about it. I'll have to check. Great work guys, मज़ा आ रहा है इसमें बहुत. This is good road, and in front of us we can see Mitsubishi Lancer. So it's old but gold. It is basically doing a lot of pollution. Not sure about that, but yes, surely you are loving this. So the only thing is you will be loving this view. On the both sides you have lots of coconut trees, and in front of us we have a Lancer, vintage Lancer. Okay, so I have changed the battery. I will start now. So I hope my voice is clear, and the vision also, right? And as you can see in front of me, like so many mountain ranges, right? So many mountain ranges. Kullu Komalai. The views have started to come now. On the right side, if you see, we have large mountains in front of me, lush green and I'm now driving single lane. Good. This is a great road. ...82 more kilometers to reach to my location. Okay, so we are stopping over here. And this is the Annamalai Tiger Reserve, and so we have just started climbing the Annamalai Tiger Reserve, and now we'll see whether we get to see any tigers or not. So this is first time we are into some reserve. So this is elephant zone actually. So we are trying to find some, but we are not able to get anything. We haven't seen any animal whatsoever. No animals, even deers are not there. What about tiger? Tiger is not there for sure. Okay, the mountains is looking beautiful now.